Claude can search the web when your question needs current information. Watch. I'll say, search the web. What are people saying about current candle and home fragrance trends? Give me sources. Now, you can also make sure that your web search is turned on by clicking the plus and then going to the bottom of the menu here and making sure that there's a little check mark next to web search. If you don't have the check mark here, it might not be able to search the web for you. So go ahead and double check that before your first web search and then click send. So here's Claude's response, and it's got some interesting stuff to say, but the really interesting thing is notice that it shows exactly where the information came from. Here there's a source for this information, so you can check it. Make that a habit with any AI. When facts matter, look at the sources. Now that was a quick search. The next feature, called research, goes much further. Claude goes off on its own, reads dozens or even hundreds of sources, and comes back with a full cited report, like a research assistant that you'd normally pay for. Now, this one needs the paid plan. It's honestly one of the 2 features that made the upgrade worth it for me, and you'll see the other one at level 6. So let's do a quick upgrade. In the bottom left, we'll click the profile icon, and then click Upgrade Plan. I'll go ahead and select the Pro plan, but we'll do the monthly option instead of yearly, and then click Get Pro. On the next page, you'll plug in your billing information, and once that's all filled out, you'll click Subscribe. You'll get a payment confirmation, and it might tell you to download the desktop app again, but again, we'll go ahead and skip that for the moment. I'll show you how to do this manually later when you want to. All right, we're back in Claude. Let's go to the left sidebar and find our conversation. Here's the one about the current candle and home fragrance trends. And then we'll click the plus button at the bottom, and you can see now there's a research function that appears. So go ahead and turn that on, and then type your prompt. I'll say, research the market for small handmade candle brands. Who buys handmade candles, what they pay, how small brands market themselves, and the 3 biggest mistakes new candle businesses make. I'm starting a small online candle shop. And then start it running. Now, this can take a while, sometimes a few minutes, sometimes much longer, because it's actually reading. Now, one thing to note is that research uses up your usage limit faster than just normal chatting. So save it for questions that really deserve the deep research. I'll let it work and cut ahead to when it's done. Okay, and here it's finished. On the left side, you can see its response in the chat, and then if it hasn't opened for you already, there should be a little button you can click to open the document that it created, and that'll show up on the right side of the screen. It has a too long did not read section at the top with a high-level summary of the core buyer, what they pay, and how to win and what to avoid. There's some key findings, and if we scroll through, we can see that it lists a bunch of information. It's a really nice detailed report. We can see the sources again that it listed. And for me, one of the biggest takeaways from this document is the 3 biggest mistakes new candle businesses make. I want to avoid these 3 mistakes, so this is really valuable information. So here you can see how you get a complete sourced report from 1 sentence. Think about the next big decision in your life, like a move, a job change, or a big purchase. That's your research